Here's the Missouri Relic Busters at Kadoha, getting everything ready. This is Saturday morning. There's Nocta. Gypsy Jules' Jeep is here somewhere. There's Garrett. Here's where they did the karaoke last night. There's the bounce house. I see Mind Lab, American Digger. Again, there's Nocta. And this is the 8 o'clock crowd. We start at 9. At 9, we will all get in front of that. Brandon will give a speech. We'll open up with prayer.
Okay.
And we'll go. Now these guys are the ones who are wanting to get out there a little bit before everybody else. They should be bunched up over there, but nobody is. Renita's calling me over. She says she thinks she found a token. So here I go. I've seen people all over this though. What do you got, babe? Do you see it?
Not yet, but I could see where they had put a shovel right here.
Oh.
See that mark?
Yeah? Well, go ahead and dig it. I'll just wander around you a little bit.
Okay. Like I hadn't touched it with my shovel yet.
Oh, and somebody else had?
No, I mean like that's where they put it in the ground.
There's an iron signal that I am not going to dig. What do you got? Hey, what's the number on it?
1872.
All right, good for you, babe. She goes, babe. What you got?
I can't find it yet.
Yeah, well, I got the max and then I'm up to say Harper. You take the half-pound off, but it ain't.
Was it a good signal?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right through here somewhere.
My wife, she's an 18 Pro speed changer.
Right here.
I got the 8.
It's just off a little bit.
I'm one head at a Garrett.
You're going to have to dig that.
Think it's
Set up.
deep?
I think the pinpointer's set up too shallow. You're picking up your shovel now. Okay, where's it at?
This general area. Like right here. Yours isn't going to work there, is it?
I think I'm too far away.
Go over it with yours.
Yep, right there.
Aha.
Find it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's right there. Good job. Oh, gosh, I still got this thing on.
What?
Go ahead. You got it?
Yeah.
Good for you.
410.
410. You got one, sweetheart? You got a token. All right, good for you.
Seriously spent all day at Kadoha,
Oh, come on. Dig it, Joe. Come on.
and these two are in their sleep clothes out here digging in this yard.
There's another one. Right here. More bars for that. More bars deep. Okay, it's not right in the middle. I didn't.
Joe's shirt.
There's no way.
We didn't get any nickels. Well, I didn't get any nickels.
I got some couple of, but I noticed, and I heard another guy really complaining there was no silver out there. Yeah. Sean found one, but it could have been from last.
I didn't get that on video out there, but
You found the barber dime out there?
yeah.
Did you?
Yep, and then maybe part of a rat tail spoon bowl, some little buttons, flat buttons.
Here's Joe's stuff over here. Okay, just in case I didn't get this, we've got 12 tokens and some oddball stuff and
I don't think there's any that are
suspender stuff.
I might have dropped it.
Here we go. We're going over here.
Here.
Here's Joe's stuff.
I found that first.
I think this is supposed to be like a
Okay.
comb.
I think I dropped the flat
Something. Turn on your metal detector and see if you can find
They're line to
it.
get it.
Joe found some buffaloes and a walk. And here's what his
Can't tell
token
because the
was.
food truck line.
Mitch them cleaned up on the tokens.
We did it all in that first, little bit because I was like, this is fun.
That's good.
Yeah.
Kadoha, Sunday morning. Everyone's getting ready. The pool ladder. People's coming in the gate way down there. And they are lined up. This field that you can see, past that outhouse, there's another field. Oh, there's a hole in the fence right there people were using. Farmer will fix that soon.
Here we are, guys.
Yeah.
Second morning.
Missouri Relic Busters, Pegleggin detective,
Ready to hit the field.
small town detective.
How'd you know? Did you wait it? Yeah. I know how to just